Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am sharing another expectation versus reality with you guys, and I am curious to know how this kit will look like, because instead of getting a kit from Amazon, I got it from Wish. Excited? Extremely curious. I will dive into all the pictures, all the caption, all the description, everything, and we'll see if our expectation from those pictures will be a true reality afterwards. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and let's go. This is what I received after purchasing this kit from Wish. Now let's open up that listing and see what we have there. This is how this balloon garland kit looks on Amazon. Look at the pictures, you guys. This is the reason why I actually bought this kit, because of these pictures. They look stunning. I paid $18 for this kit, but there's a new price for you, so it's $14 right now. Looking into the description tells us that we will receive 124 balloons total. 36-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, 5-inch balloons in macaroon colors. Macaroon colors means that they will be pastel. Going back to our pictures, I can look at them and tell that they look double stuffed to me. We'll see. Let's open this bag up and see what we have inside. Looking at it, we can see that we have two bags of balloons, gold confetti balloons, orbs balloons in gold color, whole bunch of them, glue dots, and balloon strip to construct this whole thing. I am ready to blow all of my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off if you're a new customer. And it's an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. I am blowing my balloons individually, and I will be tying them individually using this balloon tying tool. It will save your fingers from having blisters. Love this thing. It's not expensive. It's worth getting this if you're working with lots of balloons. So what I'm doing here, I am taking one balloon. I'm done blowing my balloon, I am pressing against the floor to give my balloon more rounder shape, and then tying with my balloon tying tool. You guys, I can tell right away this is not the same color as on a picture. Maybe in a daylight it's gonna look a little bit different, but right now it's a lot lighter than on the picture. I can definitely tell that on the picture there were double stuffed, not just one single pastel balloon. So let's deal with the rest of our balloons, and we'll be moving on to our next step. Blowing my solid latex colored balloons. Now I want to quickly show you what I do with my confetti balloons and how I deal with all of my confettis and how I make them stick to the walls of my balloons. So blow your balloon up. I'm rubbing my hands on my balloon all over. Give it a shake. Rub some more. Give it a shake. By rubbing my hands on my balloon, I am creating static inside of my balloon, and confettis are starting to stick to the walls of my balloon. And here you have a beautiful confetti balloon. Time to blow our orbs balloons. To blow my orbs balloons, I will be using hand pump to prevent melting this plasticky insert that all the orbs self-sealing foil balloons have. If you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump, you do have a chance of melting that plasticky insert, and your balloons will start deflating little by little, and basically balloons will be ruined. So let's use a hand pump just to be safe. Oh, you guys, this is the next day, so let's try this again. I could have blown these balloons like this, but this is not a correct way to blow your orbs balloons. You need to blow your balloons until you won't have any wrinkles on the side on your seams right here. And funny enough that I didn't blow my popped balloons to the full capacity. They just exploded on me. I don't know. I tried to put less air, and you saw me putting the balloon, and as soon as it landed, it just exploded. So I don't know. I will try to put less air, but bring it as close as possible to the right size. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that, even though I still can see wrinkles, but this is how it's gonna be now. Please don't explode. I think I'm gonna take 2 of my own orbs balloons, and I'm gonna add into this Garland just to see how the whole thing is gonna look with the amount of orbs balloons that are included in this kit. Time to construct our balloon garland. This is a different type of balloon strip. I usually work with a strip that has a bigger hole, little opening and smaller hole, but this one's just 1 hole per spot. So I'm taking my balloon and inserting my balloon through that hole, making sure my knot is completely through, and letting go. That's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. I will be inserting every balloon on one side. I don't see a difference if you alternate sides or work with one side. About skipping holes, so you guys, you need to keep an eye on your balloons. If you see that your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, you need to skip a hole. Give your balloons more room to spread and breathe, and kind of like spread evenly and comfortably. I will be working with 11 and 10-inch balloons only, and then I will fill in spaces on my balloon base with the rest of balloons with glue dots. So let's go, let's construct this thing. Garland is on my backdrop. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using backdrop and fabric, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. Now, fun part begins. We are taking our glue dots, we're taking the remaining of our balloons, and we're starting to fill in spaces on our balloon garland. I hope none of the gold orbs balloons will explode on me, because yeah. So let's go. I have no idea what is happening with this whole kit, you guys. I'm like blowing away. Huh? You guys, I have no idea what is happening with this kit. I'm like afraid to touch any balloons. If I touch it, they explode. What am I supposed to do now? Like, I don't know. All right, I think I'm gonna try to make this work. Wish me luck, because it's so funny. I was gluing glue dots on one balloon, but 2 exploded. Like, probably this is the biggest fail ever from all of the kits that I ever reviewed. This is the worst one and a totally unexpected one. So let's fill in spaces. I don't know what is happening. Let's go. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this balloon garland kit from Wish. All I can say is I wish so many things. I wish that this kit would include more glue dots because I didn't have enough to fill in spaces on my garland. I had to take some of my own and finish the whole thing. I wish this kit would have more confetti balloons because 3 confetti balloons is just not enough. At least 5, it would make a better difference in this kit. I like that this kit had that many orbs balloons, great quantity, more than enough. And as you know, that I added 2 of my own orbs balloons into this kit. 2 36-inch balloons just exploded at the same time while I was applying a simple glue dot. I don't know what happened there, so I don't know. I wish this kit would have better quality balloons. I wish this kit would have double stuffed balloons, even though it turned out pretty cute. In my opinion, it looks pretty full, but they are not as rich in color as double stuffed balloons. That's just me. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I don't know if I would recommend this kit. I don't know. I would be afraid to buy this kit and then, you know, starting to assemble the whole thing and balloons would start popping on me. I would probably be panicking and thinking, should I do the rest? Will I have anything left after I assemble this whole thing? I don't know. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and yeah, a few pictures will be there as well. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this balloon garland kit from Wish. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!